Did you know the last Roman emperor chose to die fighting rather than flee when 80,000 enemy soldiers surrounded his city? Constantine XI ruled the Byzantine Empire in 1453 when Sultan Mehmed II brought massive cannons to the walls of Constantinople. For over 1,000 years, these walls had never been broken. But the Ottoman cannons were different, firing stone balls that weighed over 1,000 pounds. As the walls cracked and crumbled, Constantine's advisors begged him to escape. Ships waited in the harbor, he could live to fight another day. But Constantine refused every offer. On the final night, he removed his purple robes and golden crown. If he was going to die, it would be as a common soldier, not a captured emperor. May the 29th, 1453. Ottoman troops poured through the broken walls at St. Romanus Gate. Constantine was last seen fighting desperately with his sword, surrounded by enemies. His body was never found among the thousands of dead. The Roman Empire that had lasted 1,480 years died with him.